Good morning to all of you. My name is Dr. Manish Kumar Nema, and I am your coordinator for this training program. And first of all, I would like to welcome all the participants who are attending this course on behalf of National Institute of Hydrology, Roorkee, and I welcome them also on my personal behalf. I would like to welcome our honorable respected director of NIH, Dr. Jaivir Tyagi sir, who has happened to be the course director of this particular training. And SWAT training has become a flagship program of NIH under the visionary guidance, leadership of our director. In the sequence, I would also like to welcome to the nodal officer of the National Hydrology Project for NIH, Dr. Sanjay Kumar Jain sir. Welcome, sir. And I also like to welcome to Dr. A.K. Lohani sir, who is the training coordinator for NHP. He is connected from his home at Lucknow. Welcome, sir. So I just request all the participants to please turn on their videos so that we can at least see each other, at least in this inaugural session. So I request all of them to please turn on your videos. A brief about this course, that this course is mainly deals with the hydrological modeling using a very robust hydrological model called SWAT, that is Soil and Water Assessment Tool. In this course, we have tried to cover almost all the aspects of the hydrological modeling, right from the basic to the advanced. And the training is planned with a very good combination of the theory as well as the hands-on practices. We have used, we will be using the open source GIS software called QGIS for this training, and one advanced package called SWAT. And Dr. Vishal Singh is a co-coordinator for this training program, and he has a very good experience of the SWOT model. And with these few words, I would like to invite Dr. A.K. Lohani sir to say a few words about this training and other trainings under the NHP. Over to you, Lohani sir.
जी दिख नहीं रहे
Lohani sir, okay.
आ गया
So your voice is your voice is not clear, sir. Maybe there is some. Sir, we are not able to hear you.
लोहानी जी आपकी आवाज नहीं आ पा रही है.
Okay, maybe we will catch him later on. So, nodal officer of yeah. Hello.
हेलो
In this sequence, now I would request Dr. Sanjay Kumar Jain sir to brief about the training as well as about the other activities of the NHP project.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Dima, and I once again welcome to this course on SWAT model. As you know that this SWAT is one of the most widely used software, and number of training programs already have been conducted. In NHP, I think it is the first program on SWAT model. And I have seen that response for this particular model from the participants was too much earlier, and hands-on training with the available these manuals have been given to all the participants earlier also. And regarding the other courses or NHP program, I can see most of the participants are not new. They are attending number of courses, but I would like to just mention here that under NHP, under component D, training is one of the component capacity building training courses and workshops, under which number of trainings have been organized by NIS, CWPRS and other agencies, NRSC. They are conducting on remote fencing and GIS applications. So number of training programs, and now in this COVID time, online programs and number of participants can join. This is one of the good thing which we can see. though it is not as good as physical interaction sometimes, but even then we are conducting a number of training programs and number of participants have been benefited by the lectures and hands-on training program on various training courses. So with this, I congratulate both coordinators and our director for this course because he initiated this course. I remember about 5, 6 or 7 years back. And since then, this course on SWAT is being organized regularly. So I wish that this course will be again a grand success as it was earlier. So thank you very much. And now I would like to leave because I have to join another program. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I request our respected director, Dr. Jaivir Tyagi sir, for formally inaugurating the course and delivering his inaugural remarks regarding the course. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Manish. On behalf of NIH and on my own behalf, I once again welcome you all to the inaugural session of the training course on hydrological modeling using SWAT. First, I would like to inform the participants, as was mentioned by Dr. Sanjay Sen also, that at NIH we have been regularly organizing various training courses in the field of hydrology and water resources management. And these courses are being organized under the technology transfer program of the institute and for the capacity building of the user agencies. The main objectives of these training courses is basically to provide awareness to the field engineers, students and professionals who are working in the area of water resources management on various tools and techniques available for estimation and analysis of water resources for their better planning and management. These training programs are being organized both under NHP as well as the regular activities of the institute. As far as the SWAT is concerned, and here I would like to say one more thing, that the information about these courses, whether they are being organized under NHP or as the regular activities of the institute, the information about all these courses are being posted on the website of NIH. So all the participants, and they may also inform their colleagues that those who are interested, they may be in constant touch with our website, and they can regularly refer to our website so that they can get the regular information that what are all the courses being organized by NIH. And the interested persons may attend these training courses. They may, because nowadays we are conducting the online training courses only, and those who are interested, they may register and attend these training courses. As far as the SWAT is concerned, you are aware that SWAT is a public domain hydrological model for assessing the impact of land management practices and climate change on water quantity as well as the quality. And it has gained international acceptance and is being currently used in nearly 100 countries to investigate the water resources and known point source pollution problems for a range of scales and environmental conditions. And it is now increasingly being used in India also for simulating hydrology and water quality problems in various regions of the country. So keeping in view the increasing applications of SWAT model in water resources sector in India, we have been regularly organizing exclusive training courses on SWAT only, covering various basic and advanced topics of SWAT. And this was informed by Dr. Sanjay Jain and Dr. Nema also, that we have organized a number of courses on these things. And also we receive a very huge response from research scholars, scientists and professionals for participating in these SWAT training courses. But due to COVID pandemic this year, we are not able to organize these courses in physical form at Roorkee. Normally we organize at Roorkee, but it's not possible now. And these courses are being conducted online only. And duration also we have kept as 1 week. But earlier we have been organizing these courses for 2 weeks. So during these 2 weeks, the participants were fully trained, and I mean they were able to use the model at their own. But 1 week also I think is quite sufficient, and in 1 week also you can be fully trained if you put some effort, and if you work in the evenings also, and whatever doubts you have, I mean you clarify them with the faculty members. So 1 week is also sufficient. That's me thinking. And this is the second online training courses. Earlier we were organizing only one course, one physical course in a year for 15 days. But this year, this is the second training course which is being organized online. Last course was organized, if I remember correctly, it was sometime in September, third or fourth week of September. So that was also quite a successful course. And this time also, we expect that participants, will take full interest, and they will gain a lot from this course also. And I would like to congratulate the coordinators of this course, Dr. Vishal Singh and Dr. Manish Nema, for organizing this course online under National Hydrology Project this year. Uh, as was mentioned by Dr. Manish Nema also, SWAT is embedded in some GIS software. And earlier it was embedded in ArcView. Probably the GrassSwat was the first GIS software, and we had the GrassSwat version. Then it was embedded in ArcView, then ArcGIS software, and ArcSwat's interface is probably the most popular interface. But because the ArcSwat works in a licensed ArcGIS environment, and the high cost of ArcGIS restricts its legal uses only to those who are able to buy the ArcGIS software. But as was told by Dr. Manish Nema, now we have the SWAT model embedded in QGIS also. And QSWAT is the extension or a graphical user interface for the SWAT model. And the QGIS is a free and open source GIS that performs most GIS functions as in a commercial GIS. So taking advantage of that, this training course is also being conducted using the QSWAT interface. And Dr. Manish Nema, I need not repeat that, but it contains a good mix of lectures as well as the hands-on sessions, and it is expected to provide an in-depth understanding of SWAT with a working knowledge using the SWAT interface, QSWAT interface. And I'm sure that this course will be useful to the participants in achieving the desired goal. I understand, as I was given to understand, that there are nearly 50 participants in this training course, and this shows the interest of the participants or the users in the SWAT model. So I'll not take much time now, and I wish the participants an enjoyable and fruitful training program. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for the inauguration of the training course. And we always look forward for seeking your kind guidance and focused leadership, sir. And now I request Dr. Vishal Singh to give a vote of thanks to all the attendees. Dr. Vishal Singh.
Hello everyone, and a very good morning to our respected director sir, NHP Nodal Officer Dr. Sanjay Kumar Jain sir, NHP Training Coordinator Dr. Lohani sir, and this training program coordinator Dr. Nima sir, and all the participants. Thank you very much sir that you have given this opportunity that we can share our knowledge to all the NHP associated engineers and scientists who they are working in the field of water resources engineering and management. And apart from that, I would like to give many thanks to Dr. Nima, who has outlaid the training course program and prepared all the things. And I think the data set, example data set that we have provided to you, that is prepared by Dr. Javid Tyagi sir. So, because Tyagi sir only started this training program on SWOT model. So I think you have a very great platform right now that you can get a very huge amount of knowledge related to hydrological modeling, basics of hydrology, and how you can proceed for the hydrological modeling using SWAT. So I would like to congratulate all of you because this time we have selected only limited number of participants because of this online training system. So I think you are all means I just would like to give many thanks to who individual who directly or indirectly supported for this training program, and I wish for your successful completion of this training program. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Vishal. We are entirely on time and we can straight away start our first session of the training. But before that, I sincerely request all the participants to please mute yourself. Uh, it may cause disturbance to others. So please mute yourself and unmute yourself only if you have any kind of query or questions. So now we can start the session, sir. So there is a little bit change in the sequence of the lectures. Now the first lecture will be of introduction of SWOT modeling and data requirement, and that will be by Dr. J.B. Tyagi, sir. So over to you, sir, now.
But Manish, I think there are hardly 25 participants this time now.
28 now.
Others are yet to join.
Yeah.
So, I mean, they should join in time now if they are interested in, really interested in attending the course.
Right, sir. But we have given the instruction very clearly that we will be opening the portal by 10 and by 10:30 the first lecture will be started.
Anyway, ठीक है. So, shall I start now?
Yes, sir, I think.
Okay. So, are you able to see the screen now?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay, it's in full mode. No? You are able to see it in full mode.
Yeah, full mode, sir.
Okay, thank you. So, before we move on to details